This is Dr. P, and I got a question on YouTube. Basically, the question was, are water aerobics good or bad for knee arthritis? And water, because it's buoyant, basically takes away the effects of gravity. So whereas when you walk or you run, it's called impact loading, and it puts force across your knees and your hips and your lower body and your back for that matter. But when you're in the water, it takes that force off, so it eliminates gravity. This is basically a non-impact loading exercise, and it's a great exercise. The water also can be cold. This is kind of cool here. That can kind of help the knees. Also, you're building muscle. Your muscles are your main shock absorber. So what the muscles don't absorb, that the joint has to absorb. And if you have some arthritis in there, some wear and tear, more and more force gets transmitted to the bone underneath. Bone has millions of pressure-sensitive nerve fibers, and it hurts. The stronger you can become, the better. Also, if you exercise, you're gonna lose some weight. And we know that obesity is a risk factor for knee arthritis, for knee pain, and for knee replacements. Yes, water aerobics are great. Do them, and it's basically less force across your damaged joint. And I would say go for it. Awesome.